morning, student. How are you? Very fine. Yes or no? Yes. पिले आज आमे सबुदिन पढ़ुचे इंग्लिश सबुदिन पढ़ुचे ओडिया संस्कृत आज आमे इंग्लिश पढ़िबा आ सब्जेक्ट हैला इंग्लिश क्लास 8 तले look at the blackboard, see the picture. What is this? Now this is a thief. What is this? This is a police. What is this? Now this is a jail. This is a jail. First, I discuss first 4 lines of skip 1 of the topic all made impossible possible. Read the first paragraph. You listen silently. Once a thief was caught while stealing a purse from a man. The thief was handed over to the police. The police sent him to jail. The person who was arrested had to be tried out in a court. Children, mark the underlined word. Once, thief, stealing, purse, handed over, arrested, tried out. I discuss one line from the paragraph at first. Once a thief was caught while stealing a purse from a man. At first, find out, underline the word, underline the new word, once. Once means for one time. Thief means one who steals, Caught is a verb, past tense verb, the present tense verb, catch. V1 catch, V2 caught, V2 caught. Catch means to take hold something. While means when. Stealing means stealing present form steal. V1 steal, V2 stole, V3 stolen, V4 steal plus ing, V4. Steal means to take by the to catch by the theft. Purse means money back from a man. Understand? Then in this line, divided 2 line, it is called complex sentence. Turn into simple sentence. Once a thief was caught. Another sentence, he was stealing a purse from a man. Once a thief was caught. Now there was a thief. He was caught. He was caught means someone caught a thief. When? Now he was stealing a purse from a man. Then who was caught? Now a thief was caught. A thief was caught. Then what did the thief steal? The thief stole. The thief stole a purse from a man. When a thief was a thief caught? Now a thief was caught while stealing a purse from a man. Understood the first line? Second line, the thief was handed over to the police. The thief was handed over to the police. Underline, mark, keyword or new word. Handed over. Handed means gave. Handed, gave. Hand, base form hand. Handed means give, gave, giving. The thief was handed over to the police. That means someone gave the thief to the police. was handed over to the police. Now the thief was handed over the police. Third line. The police sent him to jail. The police sent him to the jail. That means the police who sent him to the jail, the police sent him to the jail. In this line, him, which refers to the thief, him means the thief. The police sent the thief to jail. Jail means prison. Jail means prison. Where did the police send him? Then where did the police send him? The police sent him to jail. Fourth line. The person had to be tried out in a court. That means the person had to be tried out. Tried out means to put the test. To put the test. Who had to be tried out in a court? The person had to be tried out in a court. Had to be tried out, that means have to eat, have to write, have to catch, such as had to be tried out. The class is over.